Hardwick crossing. Hardwick Golf Club crossing. Sunday, December 11th. Mass Central, 1749. First glimpse of it. Looks like they're using their safety car as a Santa area. This is a nice locomotive. It is raining now, so I am kind of getting wet here. Want to hear this K5L LA sometime. I don't know what type it is, but it's a nice locomotive. A lot of stuff. I don't know if I'm meant to be down here, but I want to take a glimpse at this locomotive before they head out on a venture, but I want to take some photos. So there's this video. Got a glimpse of the front real quick. It's a nice K5, so it's kind of nice. So, yeah, really raining, so I don't think the crew is in there, but it's nice to see a good old GP9 sitting here. So there's way more over here, but once they go to Barre, they come here and river runs down over there. So, but happy enough to see this locomotive, but hopefully I'll be able to chase it. I don't know when they're leaving, but if I don't get any other videos, I'm just gonna post this on YouTube. So there's that. Mass Central, Ray River out. Got a little K5 up there, and then the E-Bell is somewhere. So yeah. Well, that is it. Hopefully you all enjoyed this little glimpse. Like I said, I'm posting this as well with the chase, but if I don't chase, this is going. Some of the staff are just looking at me. I feel like I'm not meant to be here, but the crew's not here, so I don't know if they have a work truck or if they're in there. But this is the train. It's hard to take some pictures. If they're leaving now, you would hear the K5, or you'll see them in the cab, but it looks like their seats are empty. Looks like they just closed the door. Just a little generator too. But the locomotive isn't on. You would hear the idle sound. But yep, that is Mass Central 1749 in all of its glory and beauty. Skyman actually got a triple header with this beloved locomotive leading. I'm kind of sad that they're not using the passenger cars though. Quite unfortunate. And this is one of the first times they ran on a weekend. They don't run on weekends, they run on weeks, at least their freight. But I've heard that they were going to do excursions because they did some track laying in Barre, or at least brand new railroad ties, I should say. But yeah, but this is the locomotive I don't know when it's leaving, but probably gonna stay here for a bit. Might come down here again, and if I see the crew, gonna ask them. But yeah. Zone 249, coming back to Palmer, southbound.